Isang malaking balita ngayong linggo or for the past 2 weeks ay yung pag-resign ng staff ni Senator Robin Hood Padilla dahil sa mga allegations na nag-smoke siya ng marijuana or cannabis in one of the comfort rooms doon sa 5th floor. And of course, they are referring to the political officer ni Senator Robin na dating actress na si Nadia Montenegro. At any rate, ang restback, kumbaga, ni Senator Robin Padilla was to file a bill na mandatory drug testing for all government employees. In other words, ito yung tinatawag nila sa legal parlance na universal drug testing as compared to random drug testing. Ang random drug testing is valid, legal, constitutional. Ang universal drug testing ay unconstitutional. Pag kinumpel mo lahat ng government employees to undergo mandatory, yun na nga, compulsory drug testing, that is a universal drug testing. And this is not new. Kasi meron na tayong decided case, Social Justice Society, SJS, versus Dangerous Drugs Board and the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. This was decided way back November 3, 2008. At ito yung Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency at the Dangerous Drugs Board ay nag-impose din ng universal drug testing for all employees or students, no? At sinabi nito mandatory. So this is not new. At of course, questions were raised. Yung SJS is a religious order at sinabi niya unconstitutional yan. Kasi unang-una meron tayong right to privacy under the Constitution, no? Section 2, Article 3 of the Constitution, yung right to privacy coupled with the right against unreasonable searches or seizures should always be primordial over and above rules, regulations, policies, or even laws. And of course, ang sabi nila dito kung random lang yan, wala naman tayong problema. Pero kung mandatory, it is universal and some of the employees or students affected may invoke his constitutional right to refuse to undergo drug testing no matter what his reasons are. So, on that ground alone, assuming na mapasa yung bill na yan ni Senator Robin, then it will again be subject to question of constitutionality.